What do you get when you take a tomato-based broth and you add all kinds of great, delicious seafood? I'll tell you what you get. You get Cioppino, an amazing dish, an Italian dish, and if you love seafood, you're going to love this dish. All right, we're going to start off with our Dutch oven. Got it on the induction hot plate. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil and one white, or you can use yellow, finely diced onion. And we'll get that sauteing. We'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. And once those onions become translucent, we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, either the paste that I like to use, or you can microplane it or chop it up nice and fine and add that. Now here's the important part. As soon as that garlic becomes fragrant, you want to add 1 28-ounce can of San Marzano whole tomatoes. That'll capture all that garlic in the pot. And we'll use our wooden spoon and mix it up and mash up those tomatoes a little bit and let that saute for a while. Then we're going to come back in a few minutes with 5 to 6 good sized basil leaves that we're going to tear and put into the broth. And then we'll mix that up again. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fennel seed and anywhere between a teaspoon and a tablespoon of crushed red pepper. All depends on how much you like heat with your broth. And we'll give that another mix. And now we're going to use a hand blender to smoothen out the broth. If you don't have a hand blender, you're going to have to use a potato masher, and it'll just take you a little bit longer. But these are great. You should get yourself one. I'll put a link in the description below on where to get it. But use that, mix it up good, and smooth out that broth. All right. Now, next we're going to add a little bit more than a cup, maybe a cup and a half of good quality red wine. Pour that right in, and we'll mix that up and let that simmer for a while. And while that's simmering, please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. And if you like the dish, please leave a comment. It helps the algorithm with YouTube. All right. Next, we added some sliced up scallions. And now we're adding 2 cod fillets that I've cut up. We'll add the cod first because they take the longest to cook. Now we've got 1 lobster tail cut in half, 4 large scallops, 6 mussels, and I think between 10 and 12 16 to the pound shrimp. We're going to add all that to the pot. Make sure everybody's in the pool and covered nicely. And then we'll put the lid on for 5 minutes. You'll know at 5 minutes when it's done because your mussels are going to open up. Then it's time to plate and serve. I put all the seafood down first, and then I scoop on some of that broth, and I serve with some freshly made garlic bread. And you have yourself a delicious seafood stew. Cioppino, made easy and made great. You're going to enjoy it if you love seafood. That broth is to die for, let me tell you. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back soon, and I appreciate you very much.